everyone, welcome again to another amazing video where I'll be showing you how to make a simple vanilla cake at home. So welcome to Winnie's Happy Home. This is a YouTube channel where we share amazing tips on homemaking, cooking, organizing and parenting in general. Kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed and share to your friend, and karibuni sana sana. So directly to our ingredients, we will need 2 cups of self-raising flour. We will need sugar. We will need a cup of 3/4 cup melted butter. We will need a cup of milk. We will need 2 eggs. We will need bicarbonate of soda. This is a baking powder that I've put here, and then we will need our vanilla essence. And just like that, I want to show you the most quickest way you can do it at home. Right now I'm tired, so and I need to sort out breakfast, so I need to do very fast. So kindly subscribe as we grow this channel. So let's go. So instead of let me put it this here. Instead of beating all the ingredients one by one, the quickest way is you just put everything in the blender. That's the 2 eggs. That's my 2 eggs. They are good. A cup of my melted butter. There we go. And then I will need a cup of sugar. Let me use a different cup. Oops. I don't know why I didn't take something to just scoop it. This is like a 3/4 cup of sugar. I don't want to be too sugary. That's sugar. And then lastly, we need our milk. Now this is milk. You can use any milk. Fresh, the long life, just need a cup of milk. So we are mixing all the wet ingredients together before, and then we blend them. So just like that, we are done with that one. Let me find somewhere I can put this one for it not to pour. So, and just like that, you put them together. As you can see, it's well blended, but let me do it once more. And just like that, we are done with our wet ingredients. Now we go back to, we mix now the dry ingredients. It's just as simple as 1, 2, 3. So for the dry ingredients, we need 2 cups of self-raising flour. I always encourage people, the cup that you use to measure the other ingredients, kindly make sure it's the same cup you are using to measure the flour. I have measuring cups, but I don't know why I keep on using this cup. So those are 2 cups of self-raising flour. We will need a teaspoon of baking powder, and then a quarter teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and then you mix them well. Some people call for sieving the flour for it to aerate, but for me, I don't sieve, and my cakes always come out very well. It's just because I don't make a big cake just for a family cake. So if you can just sieve the flour to isolate it. So what I do, I ensure that I mix the flour and the other ingredients very well. So you can see they are well mixed. Then now let me put these away. We are done with them. Now we come to mixing the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. This is the fastest breakfast you can make for your family. So we are removing it from the blender. Yes. And then we are going now to add the flour. You fold in. I always say don't thoroughly mix. Is you just fold in. Oh, we have forgotten an ingredient. Sorry, we forgot to put the vanilla essence. Let me put it and we continue. You fold in. Kindly, as I mix, tell me which is one of your favorite recipe. My recipe that I've shared, that is your favorite. Let me. That is your favorite and that you have tried or you are going to try. So as you can see, it's well done. It's well done. Now it's put it in my baking tray as we bake it. It's well folded in. Now next, you can see I've greased my baking tray with margarine. I've greased with margarine. Now I need to dust flour in it. Put just a little flour. I think X company needs to make me their brand ambassador because I use X flour in my kitchen all the time. So you dust the pan, the baking tray very well. Once you dust it, and then you remove the excess flour. And then just like that, I will put my butter here inside. You see, mixing everything has taken me less than 10 minutes. And then I'm going to go do something else, take dinner, play with the kids as our breakfast is cooking. Because as a mother, you need to know how to plan yourself. For example, right now the school have closed. You have to ensure you have appetizing breakfast. They eat ngwashe one day, the following day they eat cake, the other day they can eat mandazi, the other day they can eat ngwashe again. As you know how to, I'll do a video on a whole breakfast, how we prepare the whole week breakfast for my kids. For the family, not for my kids. You may wonder, do we only have kids in this house? No, for my family. So, I don't want to leave any butter here. So, just like that, just like that, just like that. We are good to go, and then you shake it like this just to ensure that you aerate it. Now, I had already preheated my oven for 10 minutes. So I'm going to put this butter in the oven for 180 degrees, 45 minutes. So let's put the butter in there. in the oven. I need to buy oven gloves. I always get burn. So I'm putting the butter in the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees. So 180 degrees, and then we'll come back after 45 minutes to see how my cake will be. Bye for now. Now it's after 45 minutes. I've just removed my cake in the oven. How you check your cake is done, you just put a knife inside, and if it comes clear, you know your cake is well done. So as you can see, my cake, let me remove this one so that you can see. As you can see, I don't want to get burnt. It's hot. You can see the way my cake is well done. It's yummy. It looks amazing, amazing, amazing. Let me cut it so that you can see how it's still hot. It's hot. The reason why I'm unable to touch it, hot. Can you see? Oh, it's hot. The cake is looking amazing, 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 and it's hot. Look, just a simple way of making vanilla cake at home, and now we have a breakfast ready. Kindly go and try it and share with me how you see it. I know it's so yummy. By the look of things, this cake is so, so, so yummy. So bye until next time for the new recipe. Kindly subscribe. Let me go now and sleep. It's around 10 p.m. Bye. You can see how my vanilla cake has come out very well. It has come out very well. I'm putting it here for it to cool down, and then we can be able to eat it tomorrow morning for breakfast. Yes, it looks yummy, yummy and all nice. Kindly try it and give me feedback.